Okay, let's start our first project with Django. I have removed the previous virtual environment and started from scratch. We'll create a new folder. So mkdir, create a directory, and then we can name it, for example, tutorial. Tutorial. And then you can see here a folder has been created. I will go into that tutorial folder and then we'll create a virtual environment the same way we've done it before. We know how to do it already. It will take a while. I will activate it now. Source venv bin activate, and then that's been activated. So inside here you can see we have virtual environment inside. So what we need to do is pip install Django. So in order to create a Django project, we'll need to have Django installed. And I'm inside the virtual environment here, so this Django will be installed inside that folder. So to make sure, we can go virtual environment. You can see here libraries, Python, side packages, and Django has been installed in this folder. Okay, once we have Django, we can use Django command. So Django, let me do more space, clear, Django admin, and then we'll do start project all together, and then you can name your project. Let's say do first project, and then I will do space and comma. That means we would like to do it in the current folder. So I will do Django admin, Django-admin, start project all together, name of our project, and then dot. So if I go here, you can see here the first has been created. That's my new project, and that's managed by that file has been created for us. That's a Python script, and we'll use that file to run a lot of commands, and I will show you how to do it later on. And then we have virtual environment, the one we've created before. So basically now I can start using our projects. So let's see how we can do this now. If I do ls, you can see manage py is available here. So what I can do is I can do Python 3 manage pi, and I will explain you in a later video how we can use that manage pi and how we can run that command more automatically. At the moment I'm just trying to run this command, and you will see what will happen. So you can see here development server has been started for me. Let's open our browser, and I will go to this URL. So at the URL 127.0.01 on port 8000, we have our Django application running. The install worked successfully, congratulations. So we see our Django, and this is based on the Django 2.2. So what happened here? We did this command, we created a project, we call it first, and then we use this new file manage pi to run our server. So I use Python manage pi, this file here, and run server. That server started and it's serving on that URL. So if you copy that URL inside the browser, you will see your application running. So from this moment we have our Django application. It doesn't do much at this point, but that's a good starting point. In the next video I will show you how to create an application. Also we'll start to go into the code, and we'll need to have some kind of ID for doing this. So I'll explain you everything in the next videos.